Hey, what's up? It's your boy Serrano. Welcome back to another video. So today we're going to be taking a look at the UMIDIGI A15 Pro 5G right here. And we're going to be unboxing it for the first time and taking a look at what comes in the box. Now this device does have some really premium features compared to the A15 that I did talk about in other videos. And I'll link those somewhere in this video so you could check that out, or in the description too. But let's just take a look at this device right here. It's going to pack so many different things. Of AMOLED display with 6.67 inches full HD plus display with 120 hertz refresh rate. It's going to offer you the Dimensity 900 platform for gaming. It has a cooling system in here, which is, going to make it be able to last long hours when you're gaming. 33 watts fast charging in this device right here, as well as a 108 megapixel camera with a 50 megapixel wide angle camera and a 32 megapixel front camera. We're going to jump into all the features. It also does have dual speakers, AR and IR blaster as well. But if you're brand new to the channel, I truly appreciate you for coming through. If you're new, make sure you subscribe and get notified for more videos just like this. But if you're already a part of the crew, salute. So yeah, I'm really excited to check this out. I want to give a special thanks to UMIDIGI because they actually sent this out for a review. So I'm going to be checking it out for the first time. So on the box, you can see we do have some stickers right here which seal it shut. We will have to cut that open, but you do get the white box on this model. It does say UMIDIGI A15 Pro series on the side. On the bottom, it's going to give you your color and stuff, and then Beyond Dreams by UMIDIGI. So, big thanks to UMIDIGI. But let's go ahead and unbox the UMIDIGI A15 Pro 5G. All right, so let's go ahead and take a look at this. I'm going to go ahead and cut the tape right here. All right, so that's one part, and then let's cut this side. So this will offer a lot of features: Wi-Fi 6, the NFC chip for making payments. And so here is the box right here with the phone inside. We're gonna go ahead and take it out. Wow, so inside the box, underneath you get a case. This is the phone itself, which we're gonna just put to the side for a brief moment, because I want to actually just go ahead and do an unboxing. We do have a really nice looking case on this device, which is all clear, and it's got some decent quality to it, so it doesn't feel too flimsy or nothing like that. So I do like the fact that they included a case with this, but make sure you stay locked into the end of the video, and I'm going to be doing more videos on this. This is just the unboxing. So right here we do have our user manual. This will include everything you need to know about the phone. So, huge shout out to UMIDIGI for sending this out for a first look. You will get this pamphlet right here with everything about the phone. I never really looked through these because I'm familiar with UMIDIGI devices, and so there's no need to check that out. But inside the box, you will get a wall brick as well as a Type-C cable with the remover tool right here. And so this is going to offer 33 watts fast charging, but this brick, I don't know if this is a fast charging brick, but I don't know if this is the one that charges it at 33 watts, but they do also offer the Type-C to Type-C this time. So it's gonna have that Type-C input right here, and then on the other end it's gonna have the Type-C input. So now that we took a look at what comes inside of the box, let me see, there's no headphones or anything like that in here. Let's go ahead and take a look at the phone, but you will get the case, which I think is pretty cool. So let's go ahead and take this out of the plastic that it came with right there. Wow, this is crazy. This looks beautiful. So you get a sticker right here on the bottom, AG matte glass on here, real metal on the sides. You get your 108 megapixel camera with your 50 megapixel camera, and then you get your 8 megapixel macro camera. On the back of it, it's gonna say the 108 megapixel AI camera, a spherical lens with high resolution. And so on the front of the display, you get like this sticker, which says UMIDIGI. Let's go ahead, remove that, put this inside the plastic. And so here's the case that comes included with it. Let's take off this sticker on the bottom. So you can see it does say UMIDIGI right here on the bottom left-hand corner. You can see this has a really nice texture and material. The top portion is going to have a glossy material at the top. And you can see that the camera cutout on the back looks really nice and premium. You get those 3 cameras included right here. On the side, you get your power button, volume rockers above the power button. At the top, you also do get a IR blaster and a speaker at the top with a microphone next to it. And so this device will have the IR blaster, which is good for, controlling TVs and electronics. You also do get your hotkey, which is customizable, your SIM tray down here below, another microphone, Type-C for charging, and another speaker. So this will have 120 hertz refresh rate. It will also have, an AMOLED display. So let's go ahead and give it some juice. Power it on for the first time. And one of the things that they are really proud of with this one is the fact that it has Wi-Fi 6. It also does have an X linear motor for gaming, so it's going to give you really good vibration haptics on here when you're gaming. Also, another thing to note about this device is that it is their flagship model, so it will come in space gray and the dark purple colors with the Dimensity 900 on this device. 8 gigabytes of RAM plus another 8 for virtual memory. Then you can see here are your languages. So you have English, you have English from Germany. Let's just click the regular English, United States. And so here we are. Let's go ahead, hit start. And it says you can connect this does also have Wi-Fi 6. You connect your SIM card right here. This also does have 5G compatibility to your network. So you will be able to use this with Metro by T-Mobile, AT&T, I know it definitely works with all G, the GSM. So here is the Wi-Fi. You get the 5 gigahertz. You also get the 6 gigahertz Wi-Fi as well. Let's go ahead and connect it. I'm going to enter my Wi-Fi password. Really good haptic motor on here. So that's one of the things that they were proud of. I could definitely feel the haptic vibration motor, and it feels really good. It definitely feels like it's high quality when it comes to the haptics on this device. And the vibrations in the side mounted fingerprint is located on the right side. You also do get AI face unlock on this device. All right, the model that I have has 8 gigabytes of RAM with the 8 gigabytes of virtual memory, and then we also have 256 gigabytes of internal storage. Obviously, some of the software is going to be using up that storage. And so you can also get expansion, because this does have expansion of the storage. Let's hit don't copy. This has a premium feel in the hand. It definitely has a nice feel in the hand. This part of the phone will gather fingerprints, whereas the bottom part, not so much. Then you're going to enter your PIN in to the phone. So let's go ahead and set that up. Like I said, the vibration on the haptics feels very, very good. So 4-digit PIN. Now it's asking us to enter our fingerprint. I agree. And then let's just go ahead and get that started. So it says the fingerprint sensor is located on the right side of your phone. Touch the fingerprint sensor and it'll begin the fingerprint scanning. And this is how you set it up. And again, really good haptic motor. I could feel the entire phone vibrating. Make sure you put your finger in a different spot every single time so that it registers your whole finger. and then you can add another one on the other side. I like to do multiple fingerprints. A lot of the phones nowadays are coming out with the side mounted fingerprint sensor, which is actually a really ideal place to put it, because as soon as you grab the phone, naturally that's where your finger automatically gravitates to. So this device is clean. I really like this device. It's super clean as far as the first impressions. And then it says we have a face setup right here, so we can set that up. So it's gonna look at my face, remove anything hiding your face. I don't know. Let me see. Nothing's hiding my face. Okay, so it says it's all good, all set. Let me put my headphones and my hat back on so I can hear. Okay, cool. So it says all set, looking good. And now the setup begins. So let's wait for it to actually start up. And yes, this AMOLED display looks amazing. These particles on the side right here almost look like they're coming out of the display. Like you could see the texture on the display. I'm no cap, like that display looks really good, extremely good. Like it's very detailed. I almost thought this was like raised up like a 3D image, but that's just how good the display looks. So very good display here, this AMOLED panel on the UMIDIGI A15 Pro. Let's peak the brightness and go through some of the toggles right here. So the ones that they've hidden is location. We'll drag that up. Mic access, hotspot, alarm, data saver, extra dim. Then you have your calculator all the way down here. And then let me see. Data saver right here. Live caption, security and privacy down here. And then I think those are all the ones that I really need to be there. So let's click back, and then you can see right here all of them. So we do get screen recording on here. We do get screencast, NFC, hotspot, and then location and everything like that. So as far as the display, they did a very good job with the display. So right here, if I long press the display, we get our home settings. So right here, you can see show the Google app thing. Let's put the app drawer on. So now we got the app drawer with, you know, sound recorder, remote for the IR blaster, the settings, messages, all the Google apps, Find My Device, a radio right here, which we can listen to when we plug in a set of headphones. We also do have the camera on here, which I definitely want to take a look at. So let's see, beauty mode, the macro camera. Oh, this is actually the wide angle camera. Let's take a quick shot with the wide angle camera. Cool. And then the 100 megapixel camera, and also the portrait mode. Wow, this camera is crazy. The shutter speed is also pretty good. You also do get your night mode, pro mode, and slow motion mode, so you can adjust the colors to your own preference. And then let's see how the video quality is looking on here. When it comes to the video quality, we can go to settings, and you get 1080, you get 4K on here, 4K recording on here. And then you get the microphone, which is right there. You could turn it off or on. Anti-flicker and location, use while in app. I wasn't expecting to see 4K running on here. That's a pretty good thing that they did offer that. So that's crazy. Really nice setup right now. I'm very impressed with the overall interface. Let's go through some of the settings. So we do get Wi-Fi and all your mobile networks, your connection for Bluetooth, all your apps right here, your notification settings right here, and enhanced notifications. You also do get the memory right here, 256. 14 is used, 7 8.8 is used by the system, 6.2 for apps. And memory expansion, this is where you would get your additional 8 gigabytes of RAM on here. So they have 8 gigabytes out of the box. The website says it only has 8 gigabytes of virtual memory, but it's actually 12. That's crazy. So better than I thought. And then you get your hotkey on the left side, so you can actually get a number of features with that. You can also customize it to whatever app you want running on here, like the IR blaster, the flashlight, or taking a screenshot. That's going to be very useful. And then you get your smart assistant for navigation, gestures, 3-finger screenshot, double tap to wake up. Let's actually turn that on, the double tap to wake up. And then right down here, you're going to get your wallpapers. I'm interested to see which ones they offer on here. So a number of different wallpapers. I actually like the one that they put on here by default, but all of these wallpapers look extremely good on the AMOLED display that they put on here. You also do get your security. So I see we have August 5th, 2023 system update. I'm sure that will be updatable very soon. Let's go down. So you have your additional settings down here. Then you have your system, and this is where you could get to, let me see, about phone right down here. Your system updates will be right here. So you can click that, and that's how you could check for updates. It says it's currently up to date, but let's go ahead. Yup, up to date. And then this is saying Android 13 is running on here. It's also saying that we have the Dimensity 900 CPU. But let me know what you guys think about the UMIDIGI A15 Pro 5G. I definitely think this is going to be solid for a daily driver. Like, this could be your main phone. They have so many features on here: the IR blaster, 33 watts fast charging, the 4K recording, the side magnification, AMOLED display, 120 hertz refresh rate is on here. Let me see what it is actually on by default. So by default, the display is set up with auto. So it's got auto, 60, 90, and 120 hertz. So you could choose between all 4 of those. Let's just put it on 120, which will actually eat up the battery a little bit faster. But then it's saying that we do get app suggestions at the bottom row of the home screen. Get suggestions. So now that's enabled. So now it will suggest which apps we should use. So this is crazy. And UMIDIGI has been stepping it up over and over again. And this time is no exception. This device feels just solid. It doesn't feel like a cheap phone, and I'm not sure about the price yet. But once I do find out, I'll leave a link down below where you could purchase this one. But let me know what you guys think about the first impressions of the UMIDIGI A15 Pro series. And if you're still here, just type down below, I'm still here, so I know you're still kicking it with me. And I just want to remind you to hit the like button so we can get this video out to more people. And I'm going to hit you back. I'll check you guys later. Peace.